the corners of your mind helps my body to unwind. Don't waste time.
Hold up now, take your time, let me get this right. You're tripping on what's in front of you, cause you're looking behind you. You got memories, but
I should have known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time.
Good morning, guys. How are you? Hope you're well. Happy new year. Hope your fast has been good. Hope your last year was good, but this year is going to be better. We are praying for that, manifesting for good things from God. Okay, and let God take the lead. So we're going to be doing like a new year reset, and I'm going to be starting with cleaning the house. I really wanted to like speak to you guys as we do the cleaning, but I think I'm just going to be doing some part of voiceovers, because it's on another video. There is construction up and they are banging things everywhere. Come on, I don't know if you can hear that, and that is just a minor part. Wajanza like the real deal, you get? So we are just going to now clean as you listen to the background music, and I also like do some little as I also do some little like voiceover. Yeah, I want my carpet to be cleaned by the guy who did my carpet last time, Ashikisimo. I don't know why. Maybe he's still on holiday, because today is date 2 of 2025. So I'll start with cleaning the utensils. After that, I need to clean my curtains, because they need to be cleaned. Then we're going also to clean the house plus the toilets. This is going to be like a two-day reset, because there's a lot I have to do apart from just cleaning and everything. I also have to do some work. So yeah, let's start. But I'm going to start first with the utensils, because they look super disgusting. Then after that, we are going to clean our curtains.
Starting with washing utensils. Scrap that off. You're going to start with cleaning, like arranging the living room first, then we can go to the utensils. The carpet company finally called back, and I was just folding it so that they can come and pick it up for washing. After that, I took all the curtains that I had removed to just do the laundry, as now I can continue washing my utensils. The utensils were a lot. I wonder what I was eating or doing with all those utensils like the previous day, cause this was a lot, and the way I don't like washing utensils. But anyway, we have to clean our house. As you start a new year, you have to start afresh, and by that I mean everything must be clean, like doing general cleaning the entire house. With the kitchen, I ended up just removing the shears, not the curtain itself, because I don't have like an extra curtain. And when I leave it like that, my house will be like bare, and anyone can see through the kitchen window. And with that, we'll just have to wash the kitchen curtain the day we are doing the next laundry.
Are you gonna ride with me? Hold me down, will you listen? Never lie to me. This is all the sign I need. So tell me.
I always put the fabric softener when I'm doing the rinse and spin, because I was advised to that rather than putting at the first start. It ends up being wasted, so I always put it like when it is done washing and I'm just doing the rinse and spin. As my curtains continued doing their thing, I went to the bathroom and started cleaning the mirrors and the sink. I only showed you the one toilet, but I did both, and not all the videos could fit in this one video, but I also cleaned the other bathroom too.
You said you love the way I noticed how you look into my eyes right before we cross the line. The way we grind. Keep me safe in your arms.
I felt like my bathroom walls were dirty and I needed it clean, like sparkling clean, looking all white the way I found it. Yeah, and this is what we are doing it. And I always use steel wire because I feel it being more doing the job that it's supposed to do rather than using anything else.
I don't know why you doing what you do lately. I've been howling.
When I told you guys we are doing general cleaning, I meant it. It's been a while since I cleaned my shoe rack and I just needed it clean and looking all pretty because that was one of my favorite sections in this house. There is no clean house without clean sheets, clean beddings, clean pillowcases, so that when I go to sleep today, I feel all fresh up from head to toe, yani everything.
Why you know they get my time? Is there someone else? Yeah, you did do me corny, oh. Everything new story, oh. She I just did waste my time, cause you don't become someone else. See palabra for me, oh. You know they touch.
My curtains were all dried up. It had just remained one piece of curtain, the one in the living room. Then I was just fully done with doing laundry, like doing the curtains. Then after that, funny me, I thought I was going to do only the curtains, but I ended up also doing some duvets that I had just kept and thinking they were clean.
Sunrise, I'll be better.
Was done with most of the stuff, and now it was just time to like clean the house because it was a bit dirty.
Nobody should call my phone. No, no. This is my last heartbreak song. This is my last heartbreak song. No, no. I'll be good on all my own. Why you so quick to leave when we both could make it work? When I'm gone, I make you nervous. If
Hey guys, how are you doing? It's the next day, it's in the morning. Yesterday I did like most of the part, like cleaning and everything, but I was just too tired to like hang the curtains and the shears and everything, so I just slept like that. But we are going to be hanging these curtains today, yeah, because that's the order of the day. Like I have to hang them right now, then I can now do the rest of the stuff. I have to, today we're going to be looking at our vision board. Like I have to find some pics that resonate with me, that for my, in terms of my vision board. I already know what I want for my vision board, yeah, so maybe if just adding some little stuff, but now it's just looking for the photos from Pinterest. Then I don't think I'll be printing them out today, but tutu move mama, but we will see about that, yeah. So today hakuna vitu mingi za kufanya, but just now reflecting on life last year and everything. So let me hang these curtains right now, then we can start with the day. Here they are. Naona vile ni mingi. Yo, I washed all the curtains, including the ones in the bedroom and the office.
Was done with installing the curtains, where it took some time, but finally I was done, and it was time to clean this dressing table of mine because it felt like it was kind of dusty, and this is the place where I sit like most of my time when I'm just doing some personal stuff.
to the good times, 'cause I'll be here for a lifetime. You don't have to pretend about it, 'cause it's crystal clear, on. Guess it's goodbye to the good times, and I'll be gone by the sunrise. I'll be better on my own. I'll be better on my own. Nah, nah. Nobody should call my phone. Nobody should call my phone. Nah, nah. This is my last heartbreak song. This is my last heartbreak song. Nah, nah. I'll be good all on my own.
My carpet was finally here. I felt so good. At least, oh, the advantage of having a carpet when you're just there, it makes your feet feel warm, because anytime I don't have my carpet around, I feel like I'm feeling cold on my feet, and I hate that. Yeah, and they did like a good job. So here's just me like putting it and spreading it around as I play with my baby tutu.
I've been tired of us. You make it hard to love. You know you're so toxic.
It's now time to clean my hair and also my body. That feeling you get after you're done working and you're hitting that hot shower running from your head to your toe, it's so good, it's so marvelous. I love that feeling. My hair had styling gel, so I just had like to clean it thoroughly, and it felt so good. And on this part, let's just dive in as I do my skincare and also take care of my body and my hair too.
We make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I'm always told the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something basic. You wanna get me started.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up.
So she hear me like so the thing's so beautiful. She's just in my heart. For force and shit got me like
Baby, like, ooh, how'd you do the thing? The way that you do it, and she ain't even show nothing. She been walking around so confident, so evidence, and I think she was meant to knock 'em dead like. Be like, oh baby,
Scent of the day. And one thing I love about this scent, I always smell like a sweet, like literally a sweet. And now this is time for me to now sit down, prep, and start looking for the items that I need for my vision board. And one thing, if you want to start with your vision board, before that, Pinterest is your best friend, like best friend. So I always check on Pinterest the items that I need for my vision board. But first, as you had seen, I wrote them down so that it can be easy for me to check what I need on Pinterest. Then I can now start saving. After that, I'll print, but the printing part won't be on this video, it will be on another video, so stay tuned. And comment down below, have you already started making your vision board? Do you believe in vision boards? I truly believe in vision boards, like they really work. It's like you talking to your god. Yeah, so anyway guys, I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Mwah.